And what we are creating today is helping what has happened in the world with the platforms like Facebook, young children using Facebook, Instagram. It's made them into individuals that don't really know anything. You are interacting based on the permission of your mother. We must make that clear. And what teacher Andy is saying about youngsters making money in Webtalk is 18 years old. If you start a couple years early, then you will be ahead of the ball game. What you're going to do, though, in these interactive classes, you're going to learn from all over the world when you're 14, when you're 10, when you're 13. And that wisdom that you're going to be soaking in is going to take you to other places. Very simple. And you know who's going to take you there? Teacher Toto. She's going to fly you there. Because you already had the education. You're going to realize that university is a dead horse. It's done. We are actually going to rip apart the universities in the world. People do not understand this because that's going to happen in about 15 years from right now. It's already happening. They're becoming irrelevant. Irrelevant means there's no meaning in the world for a majority of universities, Jackie. So the platforms of today are meant to make human beings not think. They're meant for that purpose. We are the cure right now, Jackie. So it's a brilliant question. And right now, the teachers of the world are mobilizing together, and we're all together, many generations. We're going to have the younger generations more interacting, like Lennox and Levi, teacher Andy's children, already showing they are not going to go to the university in 15 years unless they are creating their own university. And every month they travel, and that's their university, if they choose. People are not going to understand those words, Jackie. That's why I'm talking slow to you. You think that I don't know the answer to your question, then you might as well just kill Teacher Tim right now. Because that's why Teacher Tim is here. To lift up Thailand and the rest of the world is a bonus. Jackie. And I know how to do it. We are in it right now. You are away from a platform, and even Teacher Grant trying to get Teacher Andy to talk about WeChat. And Teacher Grant, I have to apologize to Teacher Grant over the past week. Teacher Grant, I'm not listening to all your voice messages in WeChat. I left it a couple years ago to take humanity to the next level, and that is time. It's 24 hours. I will not listen to millions of voice messages in WeChat ever again. It is stupid. When we have an opportunity to take care of global teachers and take care of global students and everyone in between. Teacher Tim will not go back to the insanity of the program ever again. And I love who Teacher Grant is. I say I apologize and done. Perfect idea in WeChat. Go for it. See ya in Webtalk.